uMacele uexista makhona abanye abantu ila ubabakhe ezophelela khona.
Ngokwabanye abantu abangenawo lo mbono enginawo, kungathi ngingakhuluma ngaye yedwa umuntu. Kanti mina angakhekanga kanjalo. Imina namakhosikazi. Kusho ukuthi mangifanele ngikhulume ngami, ngizofike ngiyichaze ngithi ngumseleko bese ngithi ngiganiwe. Bese ngichaza namakhosikazi.
Mhlambe angizwanga kahle ekuqaleni kanti uthi bothi la kwi-painting senzani.
Angithi wena ugane mina, awugananga labantu. So ngeke ukhulume ngabo, uzokhuluma ngami. Mina ngikhuluma ngabo ngoba bonke bagane mina. Manje ngikhuluma ngani nonke. So indlela engibuka ngayo eyoqala ukuthi uMacele akaze accept ukuthi yena usesithenjini, akaze accept lo. But uMacele futhi usenzile thina ukuthi sibe nesithembu. So ngiyibuka kanjalo le nto. Yabona manje mekhuluma kungathi akekho esithembini. I understand that and I respect that.
Anginaso.
You know what, ne? At the end of the day, nje isithembu nje abafazi abalwela indoda. End of discussion. Like they will always be in competition for affection. Kamseleko. I mean, uMacele clearly has lived in a delusion yokuthi yena akangeni isithembu akayenzini, she's not part isithembu access yakhe. At the end of the day, indoda yakho inabanye abafazi and you cannot act like that does not exist because that is his identity. I-identity kaMseleko is uyindoda eyisithembu. You get what I mean? So Macele bekazothi yena akanaso isithembu akazingeni. Like i-behavior yakhe is starting to make sense ukuthi she has never really accepted ukuthi usesithenjini. Akazi nje akwamkela and akafunanga ukuyiphila leyo mpilo. That's the reason. But that's just delusion, bruh. Like that's just madness.